The Joint Drivers Welfare Association of Nigeria has said it will commence its 7-day strike in Lagos State today, Monday, as it was unable to reach an agreement with the state government. The group, in a statement by its lawyer, Ayo Ademiluyi, said it had been subjected to indiscriminate extortion and violent harassment by the management of parks and garages in the state. The statement read in part: The group alleged that its members lost half of their income to motor park ticketing, stating that they got arrested whenever they refused to pay for the tickets. The group said, it revealed that from Badagry to Mautu, between 3,500 naira and 5,000 naira is paid, apart from park hoodlums who collect 200 naira or 300 naira per bus. Buses flying Yaba to Ikeja pay a total of 1,300, 200 naira at Jibo, Onipanu 200 naira, Elediye 200 naira, Pangrove 200 naira, total bus stop 100 naira, Fadeyi 100 naira, and Tuni 100 naira, Ikeja 200 naira. While heading back to Yaba, 500 naira each is paid at Pangrove and Onipanu, Fadeyi and total 500 naira each. Yaba 200 naira, Lagos ticket 800 naira. The statement noted that when members resist extortion, they are arrested and forced to pay 10,000 naira for bail to the police while the motor park boys go free. The aggrieved drivers also claim they pay for entertainment, security, unit chairman's food, and many other levies with threat of violence at any slight refusal. What steps do you think the government should take?